Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Mining Insider. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I want to talk to you about the WDMS, the World Digital Mining Summit, and why I'm so excited about it this year. This is actually the first year I'm going to be attending, and that's thanks to BITMAIN Tech. So thank you for supporting my channel. But this year it's extremely different because BITMAIN has introduced their very unique NFT. This is the SVIP NFT. Gives you a lot of perks and privileges, and it even has value to itself. I actually heard that these NFTs that you could mint after you bought a ticket, they were selling for quite a premium. See, if you purchased tickets to one of their events, you could then come into the BITMAIN page and you could actually mint or mine an NFT, and then you would have your custom NFT. It could be a VIP or the SVIP. And I even heard that the SVIPs were starting to be traded at a premium on OpenSea. Let's jump over there. Looking at OpenSea, I can see the WDMS Global 2020 number 0. I guess that's the first batch. It was actually last sale was at 10 WETH, so 10 wrapped Ethereum. So wow, that's definitely trading for a big premium. Is this going to be the new Lazy Ape Yacht Club? I don't know, but it's a pretty cool thing that they've introduced that if you just buy a ticket to their event, you go to see the summit, but you get a lot of perks, and especially if you get the SVIP, then you have something that's worth value, as well as it gives you the benefit to be able to purchase some miners on priority or even attend some special events. But before we look into the NFT any further, let's just take a quick look at the summit itself. What is the actual event? So it's going to be taking place between November 8th and November 10th, and it's going to be in Cancun. So wow, what a great place. Great tropical weather to be able to go enjoy that wonderful weather and be able to take part in different crypto related events and some great keynote speeches. Now, I don't have an up-to-date list of the current event partners, but this is some of the previous event partners. There's a lot of great names that you may recognize here. And there's going to be some great keynote speakers to my understanding as well. As you would expect, BITMAIN is going to be showcasing a lot of their latest mining equipment, including the latest round of hydro miners, which run extremely efficient and a lot cooler. And I believe that helps probably protect a lot of the circuitry to give it a lot more longevity in mining. Some more information on the WDMS, the NFTs here, but on the summit, that gives you a lot of information on the venue. It's going to be hosted at the Grand Hotel Cancun by Kapinski, formerly a Ritz-Carlton hotel. So wow, that's like 5 stars probably. But there's a lot of information on this, and if you're interested to learn more, I'll definitely put a link down below, a full, I guess, time by time of the different agenda, highlights, different speakers here. I think there's even some of the names. Yeah, a lot of the names here I recognize. Even oh look, Joseph Armenio. He's at Ergo Foundation. So there's going to be a lot of great people attending this event, and some companies too. ANTMINER, AntPool, Starbase, just BitFuFu, BITMAIN. Obviously, they're the ones primarily sponsoring the event. But there's going to be a lot of great information here. And pair that up with great weather on Cancun, I think that'll be an absolute win. But what I'm most interested really is in the NFT and the different privileges it gives to me. So this is get the first ever WDMS NFTs, unlock the KA3 snap up benefit. So you could mine it, or excuse me, you would be minting it after you bought the ticket, but I believe the cutoff date for that was November 1st. But however, there is some still for sale on OpenSea, as I've shown you before. Even those first batch went for the higher price, but some of the ones that aren't first batch were, I think, lower price. But special benefits for NFT holders: unlock exclusive on-site experience, VIP banquet, BITMAIN gift package, which I hear they're usually pretty good, and priority purchase of the latest KA3 miners. Woohoo! Yes! That's exactly what I've been hoping for, because I'm very, very bullish and very optimistic on Cadena, it being a layer 1 sharded blockchain. That's actually multiple blockchains woven together. But I could talk about Cadena all day, but I'm going to save that for another video. But the ability to actually get this miner, this is probably the most in-demand miner, the KA3 right now. It's the most profitable, as I was showing too. Even when we look over the ASIC miner value, this is the one that's making over $63 a day. And more information, the WDMS NFT tickets are officially released. Genesis NFTs by BITMAIN, and the very first NFTs for their global mining event. So the WDMS NFTs will be released in limited quantities, and you have a chance of getting one of those very scarce one of ones. I guess that's the one that I was showing you before. It seemed to be selling for around 10 Ethereum, or wrapped Ethereum is what it was showing. NFT holders can also get purchase, priority purchase of the latest KA3 miners, up to 3 units per person, limited to the first 200 registered users. So wow, this is an absolute game changer in my opinion, because if I can come to an event like this, or even pay an extra premium to get an SVIP ticket, to maybe get one of these golden SVIP NFTs and get access to such a rare miner like the KA3 that I'm having trouble finding at a reasonable price in the market, this is an absolute game changer and a win. I think it would make it a lot more attractive if, when we attended summits or different events like this, if we had the chance to maybe get priority equipment like this. So I definitely think this is a huge win, and I'm really, really excited about it. And what I'm most excited is I have my SVIP NFT. So I'm going to be rushing, and hopefully I'll be one of those first of the 200 registered uh, people to be able to qualify and get that priority ordering of the KA3 miners. So this really looks like a fantastic event overall, especially when you throw in the additional NFT. That was really like an absolute game changer for me, making this 10 times more attractive. I'd love to know, what are your thoughts? Have you looked into WDMS, or were you even familiar with this special BITMAIN NFT that would give you priority access to miners like the KA3? I'd love to know your thoughts, so please drop it down below. And if you watched this far, please put hashtag SVIP in the comments. And until next time, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.